Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite fragrance mists. So this is Very Sexy by Victoria's Secret, which I'm sure you probably heard of before because Victoria's Secret is very popular, very well-established brands. I actually was shopping in the store during their semi-annual sale years ago, and I stumbled across this and I fell in love with the fragrance. I'm like, oh my god, this smells so amazing. It's called Very Sexy and it is a very sexy scent, and I always get compliments when I wear it. So I was so upset because then I remember like going back into the store to restock when I ran out and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I didn't realize it's actually sometimes a little bit difficult to find in the store. So luckily you can find it online. This is, let's see what size this is. This is 2.5 ounce fragrance mist. Comes in this little square bottle. I love it. I actually carry it around in my purse when I feel like, oh, maybe I want to wear this and just, you know, have it on me just in case it wears off or whatever. But it does last a good amount of time, but it isn't a perfume, it's a fragrance mist, so it doesn't last as long. Usually right when I get out of the shower I put it on. I feel like that holds the smell really good. I spray it on like all over my clothes. I spray it a little bit different than I would say a perfume. I would just spray once or twice like on my neck or décolleté. This I'll just put like all over my body and on my clothes. So it lasts a really long time. I had this several months and it's like a little more than halfway empty. If you're not familiar with the scent, it's neither overly fruity or floral. It falls in the musk category, but in the best way possible. It's, I don't know, it's not too girly in a way, I guess, if that makes sense. I switch up my scent day to day, but like whenever I wear this, my husband and people always tell me, oh my god, you smell so good, because it's so pretty. The bottle's so pretty and the scent is so pretty and sexy. I think it can also be mixed with other perfumes. Sometimes I'll have like my Alien by Terry Mugler perfume on and I feel like, oh wow, is it like wearing off? I feel like I can't smell it. I'll pull this out of my purse and spray myself and then I just feel good again. Definitely like not too expensive and it's a really great product. No complaints at all. It has like just the perfect musk smell that it's not your grandma's stuff, just put it that way. It makes you feel sexy, and I think Very Sexy is like the most perfect and appropriate name for this perfume. It's just the best. It really is. I've seen this, it's the same fragrance mist, and I've seen it like in different bottles. Like it said like Very Sexy on the side and like this like glitter, and it's like it's the same product. I guess sometimes they just will switch up the label and stuff like that. So I believe you actually can get this in like larger size bottle as well. I just happen to have the small one for whatever reason. I guess this is just the one I picked up from the store, and it's like a sheer sexy mist that you could just put in your bag and go, and it's good for travel and stuff like that. Like I'm going away and I'm like, oh okay, I don't have to worry that I can't get on the airplane with this, or that I have to throw it out, because I think that has to be like 3 ounces or smaller. This is 2.5, so it's just perfect, just fits in that category. And I've seen they sell this online and in stores with like this cute little box with a lotion, so it's like a cute little gift set. I think this makes an awesome gift stocking stuffer. I actually had to get my girlfriend a gift, and I put this in like a gift bag with some candles, and she loved it. So it's really great overall. So the item weight, I think if you could get like the bigger size, and the item weight would be 3 pounds. I'm not sure about the smaller one. It's like in a durable plastic bottle, so it's not going to break on you. And I just think it's so pretty. Red's a sexy color, so it totally matches the name of the scent. I'm going to just pop the top off for you. You can see it's just like an easy to spray. You can smell it. It smells so good. I just love this fragrance so much. So if you guys are looking for something sexy but that's not like too strong, I think that this is the most perfect universal fragrance mist. So it's Very Sexy by Victoria's Secret Sheer Fragrance Mist. I hope that you guys try it out or get it as a gift for somebody or a gift for yourself. And I hope you love it. And I really hope that you guys found the video useful. Thank you so much for watching.